Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the full screen gestures in this device. That means how to enable and how to use the swipe gestures in this device. Now here you can see the buttons are using. So let me show you how to enable swipe gestures. Simply go to settings. Okay. Now scroll down, tap on the option display. Scroll down, tap on navigation bar. So here you can see two type of a navigation bar. You can see buttons and swipe gestures. Now the buttons is selected. You can see recent button, home button, back button. Now I am going to show you how to enable and use the swipe gestures. To enable this one, select the option swipe gestures. So let me show you how to use this one. Now you can see the buttons are disabled. So let me show you how to use the swipe gestures on this device. So if you want to go to directly to the home page, swipe up from the bottom tab, you can see. If you want to go to the recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. If you want to go the back page, swipe inwards from the left side or swipe inwards from the right side. So simply in this way you can use the swipe gestures in this device, and also you can use the circle to search options. For this, press and hold this line, then you can make a circle. It will give the answer. You can see search result, you can see here. So simply in this way you can use the swipe gestures in this device. You can enable and use the swipe gestures in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.